Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this wonderful, beautiful chicken curry. So we're going to start off in a pan with some oil. Now I'm using coconut oil, but you can change that if you want. To that, what we're going to do is add 2 or 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And if you can get them, a lot of people can't get them, I know a lot of you can't get them, we're going to add some curry leaves. In they go, absolutely delicious. Just going to stir that around. We're on an above medium heat. Then what we're going to do is add in 2 cups of onion and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, now time to add the chicken. So I've got 1 kg, which is 2.2 pound of chicken there. The skin is on, the bone is in. I've just chopped it up into parts. We're going to add some salt. Stir that in. Stay on this kind of above medium, fairly lively heat. We're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes here. Okay, next up. Looking beautiful. 1 cup of fresh tomato, fresh chili to taste, entirely up to you. I've got about a tablespoonful there. And then what I always call the big 4. We've got a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander powder. So once we stir those powders in, we're then going to add some water. I'm just going to add about 200 ml of water, so it's not a lot of water. In that goes, and we're going to cook that for 5 or 6 minutes. Use chicken stock if you want, but water is fine. Looking absolutely wonderful. Next up, we're going to add about 300 ml of coconut milk. So in goes the coconut milk. We're now going to lower the heat, not to a simmer, but above a simmer. I'm going to pop a lid on this. I'm going to let it go for about 7 or 8 minutes. What we're going to do now is take the lid off and put the heat on really high, kind of reduce it down a little bit. Just do that for like 4 minutes or so. It will reduce down, thicken up, absolutely beautiful. Then what we're going to do is turn the heat off, check it for salt. I'm going to add a little bit of garam masala powder, which is a beautiful little kind of finishing spice, some fresh cilantro or coriander, give it a mix, job done. You've got yourself a really, really wonderful chicken curry. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.